When I got my Fab Fit Fun box, it was actually like in a brown box. And I was like, wait, where's my pretty colored box? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy day 22 of Vlogmas and the last of our Santa Saturday series. For the past 3 Saturdays, I have been doing gift guides with some sort of theme. So we started out with the person that has everything, some really just unique gift ideas. We did a guy's gift guide, and then last weekend we did stocking stuffers. Today, it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my Fab Fit Fun winter box. I wanted to include this as part of the Santa Saturday gift guides for 3 reasons. The first one is that it makes a great gift all by itself. If you have a female in your life that you're trying to give something in the $50 range, I think this makes a really great gift. It has a variety of different things, something in there that she is bound to enjoy. The value is usually well over $200, if not more. So she's gonna appreciate it. Even if there's something in the box that she doesn't necessarily love, there will be enough value that she will appreciate that gift. The second reason that I wanted to include it is a great option to take what is in the box and break it up into different gifts. So as we go through the box, I'll talk about some of the pieces that I am likely going to regift. Last time I did an unboxing, I made the mistake of opening a couple of the things, like the hand lotion, not the hand lotion, or like the body wash I probably would have given as a gift, but I opened it and smelled it. But for $50, you get a ton of product, and some of them you probably want for yourself, but some of them you may not use. And so it's a really great option to just hang on to those things and gift them at a later date. The third reason I wanted to talk about it as part of the gift guide is they have all of these different add-on options. Whether you are part of the annual subscription membership or not, which I'll explain that all in detail when we get to talking about the price of the box, you get to add on various gifts at very reasonable prices. And so when I did that for my winter box, I added on 2 things that I knew I was going to gift to other people. You get a great deal. One of the things, it was like a 2-pack, and it was this hair towel wrap and then something else. And when I saw that, I was like, I need that hair thing, because my hair towel thing, it's like falling apart. And the other thing was perfect gift for somebody on my list. So I got that as just an add-on to the box as a gift, because the box is mostly for me. So that is why I included it in the gift guide. Now, if you watched my fall unboxing, it was the first one I had gotten in a long time, because I actually was disappointed with Fab Fit Fun. I think it was last year when I got it for 2 quarters and I didn't really love it. And so I decided to take a break from it. But my fall box was amazing and I use and love a lot of the products in there. So I actually decided to upgrade before the winter box and do the annual subscription. So the box itself is $49. I don't remember if it's $95 or $99. It's $50. It's $50. Okay. It's $50. Or you can do the annual subscription for $180, I believe. So it's $45 per box for a quarter, 1 per quarter for a whole year. If you do the annual subscription, there are a couple of things that you get to pick between the different items that the quarterly subscribers do not get. And I will talk about that in detail when I go through what's in my box. I'll tell you, like, this was something that I got to pick because I'm an annual subscriber. I really lucked out with the last box that all of those options, it was like what I probably would have picked, but I wanted to make sure going forward that that would be the case. So I upgraded to the annual one, especially if I'm gonna give things as gifts. I want to be able to be picky about the things that are in my box. Now, I still think there are a couple of things in here that you don't get to pick, but it's still options. I can't remember. We will go through all of it, and they have a great little guide that tells us all the details. So let's get into it. This box is so huge that it's really hard for me to like hold up and be all cute about it. So I'm just gonna sit it right here next to me on my couch. And it comes with this little magazine, and it has a bunch of different articles in it as well. It tells you how to use the different products in your box. It also has, I saw this, somebody post this, your year in self-care. I'm obsessed with this page. And it has 4 things each month. It looks like 5, 1 per week. It has 1 per week, things that you should do for self-care. And some of them are super simple. Like the first week in September, it says to take a nap. I love this. I'm gonna try to find a way to translate that into my planner. So I'm trying to get to the pages with the products. Okay, so here is the what's in the box. Ooh, they color coordinated it this month. You can see the different colors. The teal is all members get these items in every box. The blue is all members got to choose. So there were some choices and all members got to choose. The purple are the things that the select members, the annual subscribers, got to pick from. So let's keep this handy. Okay, so the first thing that I saw on top is this hydration cream mask from Ahava. I've never heard of this brand. And this is something that everybody got in their box. And it wasn't like one thing or the other. It was everybody got this cream mask. It actually looks like all the oars. You can pay to not have any oars. So this is the category of things that I didn't know what was coming in my box. But I'm really excited about this. My skin has historically always just been very oily. But this winter, for some reason, my skin has just been feeling so dry, so dry. So I'm really excited about this. See, is this a one time or an overnight? Either. You can do either or. So you can either put it on and rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave it on all night. I'm really excited to try that. Okay, the next thing in the box is Anthropologie Coconut Sugar Body Butter. And this was one of those products that I got to pick because I'm an annual member, and I purposely picked this as a gift. So the person who's getting it, surprise, this is your gift. So you got to pick between this body butter. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna tell you all the prices. Actually, I'm just gonna put them on the screen. You can see the prices on the screen. So you got to pick between this or essential oils. And I like some essential oils. I really like lavender for burns. That's like magical if you ever burn yourself. I really love lavender. Otherwise, I don't use a lot of essential oils, so I knew I didn't need this. And this I just thought was so pretty. Is it sealed? Yeah, I can't smell it, but I'm giving this as a gift and I think it'll be a really nice gift. Okay, the next thing I see is this, and it is a Brilliant Eye Brightener. It is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it is the color Stella, and everybody got this in their box. I don't know how I feel about this. A highlighting stick. Is it for your eyes or is it for... I don't know how I feel about this. Let me see if I can swatch it. This is not usually my... Guess I can't give it as a gift now. I didn't learn my lesson. But there's the swatch. It's not too shimmery, so I usually put like a nude liner in my waterline, so I guess I could use it for that. It's nice. I mean, I don't need one right this second. And okay, the next thing is, it looks like they have them all on the top, all the small things. So I think I mentioned that. That was something that everybody got in their box. This is the last thing that everybody got in their box, and there were no choices. And these are the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid. I'm really excited about these. I've just gotten into using hyaluronic acid as part of my skincare, so I'm excited for these to go under the eye. I feel like that's something I would really, really use because I also have been having a lot of under eye troubles. So this was the third thing that was just sort of a surprise. So out of those 3 things, 2 of the 3 are a for sure hit for me. The eye cream pencil thing, meh. Okay, this next thing I was so excited about, and this was something that everybody got to pick. And I don't know if I knew that when I signed up, but anyways, I'm really glad that I got to pick this, but everybody got to pick it. And it is this jade roller. And I have been considering getting one of these for so long for myself. And I just am so excited to use this. So I'm trying to get it open so I can just show you in case you don't know what it is. And you're like, what is a jade roller, Laken? And what is it used for? Okay, so a jade roller is this little gizmo, and it's got these, I think they're just made of jade, these rolls. Then you roll it on your skin, supposedly after you do certain skincare steps, and it helps get the skin, like it helps get the benefits of the skincare deeper into your skin, and it also just feels good, and you're supposed to go up, and it's supposed to help with sagging and wrinkles and all that kind of stuff. But I literally have been wanting to get one of these for a long time and do it part of a self-care routine. And then when I saw a sneak peek that it was going to be in the winter box, I was like, done. I'm so excited, and I don't need to buy one. I don't think it would have mattered what the other options were. I really wanted the jade roller, but the other option was the Be Your Selfie pellet from Pure. The other option were these over-the-knee textured socks. I definitely wouldn't have picked these because I'm not about the socks poking out of the boots like that. That is just not really my style, so I would have never picked those. I like wearing fuzzy, cozy socks around the house, but not like knee-high socks. Okay, let's keep moving. So the next thing is a coaster set. So that's the other thing I really like about this box is it does have a lot of beauty, and I think a lot of people automatically associate it as a beauty box, but they do include fitness, self-care, and even some home items. And you know what is so funny? Literally yesterday, Sam goes, do we have a coaster? And I was like, no, we don't have a coaster. And I had forgotten that I had chosen these. So these are wooden coasters. Look, let me not throw the box away so you can see the box. So the box says, I'll toast to that. And let me see if I can find it in this magazine. Okay, so this was something that only select members got to pick. So I got to pick these coasters, and I'm really excited about them. They're just wooden coasters, but they feel pretty sturdy, and like they are finished, but they're not finished. Like they're not glossy. They still feel like a very matte, like the wood, but they're definitely finished and sanded down, so they're not gonna like give you a splinter. But I'm really excited about these. We needed something like this. And we have a lot of different wood textures in our apartment. So I thought, what's another wood texture? So again, only select members got to pick between these items. If you are not an annual subscriber and you're just a quarterly subscriber, then they pick for you and they just put one of them in your box. So the other options were an Amuse Bouche lipstick from Bite Beauty and Meringue. I like Bite Beauty. I like their lipsticks. I think they're high quality. I bought that like mini set that they came out with for the holidays. To be honest, I don't do a lot of classic lipstick. I either wear liquid lipstick that isn't going anywhere and isn't gonna move when I drink or kiss Sam on the cheek or whatever, or I wear chapstick. Like that's it. If I'm gonna wear lipstick, I want it to just not budge, because I also really like to wear dark colors. Or the other ones were those body sliders. So you know those things you put on the ground and then you like try and do a push up with them and it makes it even harder. I didn't need those. Okay, the rest of these items are kind of big, so hopefully I can get them out of here. So this, oh, I was really excited about this. This is from Bear Paw, and it is a set of gloves and a headband. And I love wearing headbands more than hats. I don't know what it is. I really like them. Oh, it's all connected together. So the headband, look how cute it is. It looks like a bow. And it has Sherpa on the inside. It's so soft. And the gloves, I have always wanted to own a pair of gloves like this where you flip off the top so that you can text and it has a little button. So I'm really excited about these gloves. I don't know if they have Sherpa on the inside. No. They're just like a wool knit glove. But Bear Paw is a really nice brand. So for that one, everybody got to pick between that set that I got or the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, which is for your hair. I don't like hair masks. I do not have the patience. I hate showers. I only like to take baths. So, I mean, I could do it in the bath, but the problem is you have to wash your hair first and then do the mask. And so I'd have to like take a shower, wash my hair, and then like turn it into a bath and then put the mask on. The hair masks are just not for me. I'll just leave my conditioner on a little bit longer. Okay, the next thing in here is this Halston, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. And it is a jewelry portfolio. And it is, oh, it's gold. I did not know it was gonna be gold. I thought it was like a rose gold champagne. I'll show you the magazine. You'll see what color I thought it was. But it is a jewelry travel thing. You can put necklaces, I think, on this side. I think that's what this is for. And then you can put earrings over here, and then it has a little pocket here. It looks like, feels like there's something in there. Oh, no, it's just one of these, like, these. So I picked this because I think this is something I would actually use. I do usually just like crumple up my jewelry into a thing when I travel, but it'd probably be nice to put something like this. Although I'll be honest, I don't love the color because I don't love gold. Everybody got to pick for this. Let me show you the color in the magazine. Do you see? It looks like it's like pink or like champagne or rose gold. You could also pick this necklace. So it is a, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, Lele Sadoui silver circle necklace. It was really beautiful, but I don't usually wear simple jewelry like that. I usually wear statement jewelry. So that's just not something I would use. I considered getting that as a gift. Actually, I almost got that for my stepmom as a gift for her. But again, I also was like, I could use that jewelry thing. And I also, because I was debating between the third item, which, let me tell you about something else. So in addition to the add-ons that just you can add onto your box that are just like additional products that they have and that they get at a good price, you can also, these options that you pick between, some of them you can pay an additional $10 to just get both of them. So that is what I did with this one. So this didn't actually come in my box. It was funny because when I got my Fab Fit Fun box, it was actually like in a brown box. And I was like, wait, where's my pretty colored box? And it was because I'd gotten these add-ons. The one is a gift and then this additional item that you could pick from. So they had like the pretty box inside the big box with all the extra stuff. But anyways, so this is the Gold Less dry shampoo. And I actually just ran out of my dry shampoo right before I signed up for my Fab Fit Fun extras. And so I've been using a travel size dry shampoo. And so when I saw this as for $10 as an extra, and it is a $44 dry shampoo, first off, I would never buy a $44 dry shampoo. So even if I love you, I am never going to replace you. But for 10 bucks, which is probably what I would spend, I don't know how much is that cheap brand. I get the Bististe one. I usually get the brown color at Ulta. I think it's like $8. So, I mean, I wasn't paying that much more to have this one, but it was a $44 value. So it was worth the 10 bucks. So this was the third thing. You could pick between the jewelry thing, this, and the necklace. And I ended up picking both. Okay, the very last item is a blanket. And I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna give this as a gift or not. So I am not going to unwrap this quite yet. And this one, everybody got one of these blankets in their box, but if you were an annual member, you got to pick the colors. So there was a cream colored one and then this sort of brown colored one. In retrospect, if I was going to give it as a gift, I should have done the cream colored one. But the reason I may not keep it is not because it is very soft. It's a really soft blanket, and it is a $49 value, so it must be a nice blanket. My aunt literally just sent me a blanket for Christmas. A beautiful Pottery Barn like Sherpa blanket came in the mail yesterday. So I don't know that I need another blanket. We have so many blankets, y'all. I might also just stick it in my gift stash. I have like a stash of gifts that if I ever need something for like a random birthday or a white elephant or whatever, I just like have a little section in one of my cabinets that's like extra gifts. I might just stick it in there with those extra gifts. That is it. I'm excited about this box. I don't know if I'm as excited as I was about my fall box. The bag and the headphones in my fall box just sealed the deal for me. I'm really excited about the jade roller. That's probably the thing I'm the most excited about. I'm excited to try that really overpriced dry shampoo. Those eye masks, I'm excited about those. Those are probably my top 3 things in the box. But all in all, for $45 since I signed up for the annual subscription, it's just a really good deal. And again, the box itself makes a good gift. Breaking it up and giving the pieces makes a really good gift, or grabbing some of those add-ons at a really great price makes a great gift. So just like all of our other Santa Saturdays, we are going to conclude this one with a giveaway as well. I wonder what it could possibly be, and it is a $60 gift card to Fab Fit Fun. And the reason that it's $60 is because that's the increment that they do it in. They give you 25, 60, which is supposed to cover one box plus one $10 add-on, and then like 100, and then the 180 for the annual subscription. And I was like, it seems kind of odd that it's like 25, 60, 100, 180, but regardless, $60 to Fab Fit Fun in gift card format, so you can either decide to get it for yourself or you can get it as a gift for someone else. And the other great thing about Fab Fit Fun is that you can still get the December box. It's still available. Normally, I usually do my giveaway winners 1 week after the video goes live, but I wanna make sure that you are going to get this winter box if that's the one that you want. Now, you could always save it and wait and spend the $60 on the spring box if that's what you really want. Instead of a whole week, we're just doing 2 days. So Christmas Eve is 2 days after this video goes live at noon on Christmas Eve. I'm going to pick a winner to get $60 to Fab Fit Fun. To enter, all you have to do is comment below with which item you would be the most excited about to have in your box for yourself. Like, which one of those items stood out to you? It could be totally different from mine. I mean, I talked about how the hair mask is not something I would use. Maybe that is the perfect item for you. So comment below with which item you would be most excited about receiving in your box. And again, I'll pick a winner at noon on Christmas Eve. And just like my fall box, this video is not sponsored. I bought this subscription box on my own, and they do have a referral program. So if you are interested in picking up a box for yourself, I will link my referral link down below. I think it's you get $10 and I get $10. So I will link that below if you want to check out the box for yourself or as a gift for someone else. I mean, it's kind of too late to get it for this Christmas, but it does make a really nice birthday gift, or just, I mean, Mother's Day. I personally think that for a $50 price range for a female, the amount of stuff that it comes with, and it comes in this beautiful box. Like, you don't even have to wrap it. It's gorgeous. So you just like stick a label on it. Maybe a little ribbon, call it a day. All right, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and every day until Christmas for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy Vlogmas. Hydrogel eye mask with so the other options were an Amuse Beauty. Charlie is trying to chew on the plastic that came in the box.